Alright, so we're going to be solving an equation that has variables on both sides. So in this problem, we have negative 4x on the left and 2x on the right. In order to solve for x, we need to make sure to eliminate one of these x's. So it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to eliminate the 2x. I'm going to subtract it from both sides. 2x minus 2x is 0, leaving us with negative 10 on the right. Negative 4x minus 2x is negative 6x, and bring down the plus 20. Now that we only have one x to solve for, we only have two steps left. Our goal is to get this x alone, so we need to get rid of this plus 20 here by minusing 20. Remember, adding and subtracting come first. Multiplying and dividing would be last. So 20 minus 20 is 0, leaving us with negative 6x on the left and negative 30 on the right. The last step is multiplying and dividing. I want to remind you once again that negative 6x means negative 6 times x. That's multiplication. The opposite would be to divide. So we're dividing both sides by the number in front of the x, which is negative 6. Negative 6 divided by negative 6 is 1, so we have 1x equals, and negative 30 divided by negative 6 is a positive 5. And there is our solution.